Hey there, health enthusiasts! Are you ready to discover a hidden gem that could revolutionize your wellness routine? Today, I'm excited to share with you an extraordinary superfood that's been flying under the radar. Imagine a single ingredient that packs a punch with nutrients, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties. This powerhouse powder is versatile, easy to use, and has been hailed by many as a game changer. First off, let's talk about its nutritional profile. It's loaded with essential vitamins like A, C, and E, as well as minerals like calcium and potassium. Not to mention, it's an excellent source of plant-based protein, perfect for those of you looking to boost your intake without relying on animal products. But that's not all. This superfood also boasts a rich array of antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Plus, its anti-inflammatory properties can support overall wellness, making it a fantastic addition to your daily regimen. Now let's dive into how you can use it. One of the best things about this powder is its versatility. You can easily add it to your smoothies, sprinkle it on your salads, or even mix it into your favorite soups and stews. The possibilities are endless, and it integrates seamlessly into both sweet and savory dishes. For those of you who love a warm beverage, try stirring a teaspoon into your morning tea or coffee. It's a simple way to give your drink a nutritional boost without compromising on taste. And if you're a fan of baking, consider incorporating it into your bread, muffins, or pancakes for an extra health kick. But wait, there's more! This superfood isn't just for internal health. It can also be used in DIY skincare recipes. Mix it with a bit of water or your favorite carrier oil to create a nourishing face mask or a soothing skin paste. It's a natural, chemical-free way to pamper your skin and give it the love it deserves. By now, you're probably wondering what this amazing superfood is. Well, I won't keep you in suspense any longer. It's moringa powder. So there you have it. A nutrient-dense, versatile, and powerful addition to your health arsenal. Give moringa powder a try and unlock the full potential of this extraordinary superfood. Your body will thank you for it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.